You know what? I think that this time you should dance and I should watch you and rap and be an idiot. Wait a second. What's my camera doing in here? See, you gotta guess. Oh my gosh, the rules are not that difficult. Nasty bird turd. Nasty bird eating poop. Bird turd. Bird. Dropping. Bird dropping. Bird dropping. Bird dropping turd. I don't know. Stinky bird poop. I see a bird. Dude, I love her just because she was there for me. She was just always there for me. She was just there. I'm eating gummy bears. I know! Gummy bears are the bomb! Really, Katie? Really? That's the way God made you. What? I like to dance. You know, I would say I'm starting to get hyper. But, I mean, all I ate was a few Reese's Cups and a bit of Skittles. I had a bowl of ice cream for breakfast. I mean, what's that gonna do? That one thing, a few seconds ago, oh man, I feel so good! Ah! And through the cold, and it's making me even more hyper because my window is open and the sun is nice. Why do we have it? That is to make a baby. I mean, that's not her real name. Hello, Hannah. Don't know here, but I hope you like my video.
I'll put it on Facebook.
Erin won't wait. She said she will murder you.
I don't care.
Erin.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.